Alright guys, welcome back again. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to download videos from Instagram with your mobile phone. So how do you do that? First of all, you have to open your Instagram app. Instagram, let's see, here's my Instagram. So you open your Instagram app, then you search for any video you want to download. Let's say I want to download from this. Okay, let's say I want to download this particular video now.
Useful gadgets every man will love.
So what do you do now? You again
Find clicks, or you
click on this three button down here. See this three button here. This three button. Click on that. I'll scroll down. No, sorry, this button here. Let's see. Share. So you can see this is what I click on. You click on this button. This one that looks like kites. So once you click on it, you now see where they write share or copy link. Copy link. So click on that. So your link has copied. So once you copy, go to your browser and go to this website. There are two websites you can use: the SaveInsta.app or SnapInsta.app. So that you use this one, or you come over here and use this one. Okay, this one here. Alright, so let's use each of them and see how it works. So already we've copied the link of the video you want to download. Just click on paste, allow. Okay, cannot paste. So let's just press and paste it. Then click on download. So you can see this video. So you can just click on download video. Close that. So it's downloading now. So once you finish downloading, you see it on your phone. Then the other site that you can use is SaveInsta.app. It's the same thing. Just paste your URL, click on download, close the app. So you can see, click on download video. Immediately it will start downloading. Alright guys, so that's how to download videos from your Instagram. Don't forget to come back to my YouTube channel if you have not done so, to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. That way I'll be encouraged to bring up more new videos. Alright, so in the next video I'll show you how to download from YouTube to your mobile device.